Nestled 1,000 feet above the mesmerizing north coast of Corfu, Sarah's house stands as a testament to harmonious living with nature. This four-bedroom dwelling seamlessly integrates into the existing olive orchard, its design a marriage of olive wood and locally quarried Corfu stone. Positioned into the hillside, the house strategically places all livable spaces facing south, offering breathtaking vistas of the Ionian Sea towards Albania. Every room opens onto inviting terraces, inviting the outside in while maintaining a comfortable temperature through clever architectural choices. In a climate where temperatures soar above 40 degrees Celsius, Sarah's house ingeniously stays cool without relying on energy-intensive air conditioning. Thick stone walls, polished concrete floors, and a green roof deflect solar heat, ensuring a pleasant internal temperature. This expansive roof not only conserves rainwater in an 80-ton tank but also powers the majority of the house's water needs. Living off the grid is not just a concept here, it's a reality. This remote haven generates most of its energy requirements through solar water heaters, photovoltaic panels, and air source heat pumps. Approximately 90% of the energy needs are met, with any surplus power feeding back into the grid. A self-sustaining vegetable garden supplies all the house's greens, while olive tree pruning provides winter warmth in the open fireplace. Reverse osmosis ensures drinkable tap water, reducing reliance on plastic bottles, a commendable initiative in the region. Collaborating with local architect Nikos Rigas, the Manser Practice has not just built a house, they've created an eco-friendly, low-maintenance sanctuary that embraces its surroundings. Sarah's house isn't just a dwelling, it's a lifestyle choice, where simplicity meets sustainability, providing a comfortable haven year-round while maximizing the beauty of its location.